voir sous la piscine.
It makes me mad and true. Loving what is you. Eyes without a face. Eyes without a face. Eyes without a face. Got no human grace. Your eyes without a face.
Golden rubbers in these denim pockets. On my waist there's a black Glock. New girl moved on the block. She been plotting on my brown cock. Last night I slept over hers. During sex I overheard. A sword sliced the air, I pulled out the nana, rolled off the bed, then shot back. Pop out, blood on the sheets, probably spilling from my gash. Looked out the glass, he was sprinting on the grass. A real ninja with the blade and the mask, had them gold ninja stars and red supreme nunchucks. Now she tryna patch me up, but girl, I was just tryna get enough us. If that's your ex, you should probably own a pistol. But I'm guessing it's wiser to exit with dude.
The blind's wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Naked body, fresh out the shower, and you touch yourself after hours. Ain't no man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone in bed.
C'est un pro qui fait qu'il est là-dedans.
Swag.
He's at your window.
Light hits soft, I'm turning kisses to bites. I'm a down-to-earth nigga with intentions, that's right. You'll be down to earth quicker if you diss me tonight. But I'll be the happiest if you decide to kick it tonight. You can chill and I can act like I don't wanna fuck. You can tell me all your problems like I really give one. But I give two for us, cause you're the one that I want. Don't wanna seem like a punk pussy that seems like a punk pussy. See, when I'm with my friends, I just put on the front. But in the back of my top, I'm writing songs about we. We is including I, and yourself making three. Little ones, the drummer hitting pretty hard if you ask me. You're a pretty broad in the top three of things that I've been waiting to come. So meet me by the lake around 10 and skip the pretend game. I wanna be Finn from Adventure
Blinds
Time.
wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Naked body, fresh out the shower, and you touch yourself after hours. Ain't no man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone in bed. Check your window. He's at your window.